So you work also in Warner Brothers Discovery, where creativity is everything. AI now is doing a lot of good videos, or creative designs, and even cloning the Hollywood stars. So do you
Hmm.
see AI as creative amplifier or threat to human originality?
It's a threat. The reason I tell you this is we have a friend who writes movies, television shows, and what she has been saying to us for the past, at least 2 years, if not 3 years, is that there's a formula now. And, the companies look for, does the story fit into the formula? And
Mm-hmm.
it's because they have data. And so they're less interested in ideas that break from the formula because the formula has a track record. But what that does is it does stymie creativity. And what it forces, and fortunately, we've got some examples of where it's led to success, but I think it's now getting harder, is that forces those creative people to YouTube. It forces them to TikTok, to those Instagram, but those are also very saturated social spaces. So they really have to get a mass following to shine. So I do think in the near term, it is going to degrade some elements of creativity, at least in what we consume in terms of, music, television shows, maybe even, news writing. But my hope is that those individuals won't take no for an answer, and they'll use one of these other platforms, and they'll cultivate an audience until it gets to a point where, the mainstream companies cannot ignore it and they have to embrace it and adopt it.
You nailed it right, that it's already there. They cannot avoid it anymore. So how should companies protect creative talent while still leveraging generative AI for efficiency in the
Create
entertainment industry, I mean?
oh, in the entertainment industry.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I mean, I think creative talent, well, let me back up. Humans understand humans the best. I don't think that while technology can give you data, it doesn't create anything that is completely new because it works from a factual set of data. Whereas humans, you and I can talk and we can come up with an idea that neither you nor I thought of, right? And then we can whiteboard that out and figure out what to do with it. I don't think anything replaces that. And so maybe what we are doing more of is helping creatives to nurture their creativity together, kind of technology free, and then bringing in technology when it's time to further that idea, turn it into a script, to write a pitch document, those things, and then it can help you button it up. But I don't think that technology understands humans better than humans do. And so I'd want to just continue to nurture creatives. And also, I want to go back because you asked me a question about leadership. The creativity and the value of creativity is
Yeah.
something that leaders really need to better, more strongly focus on, because it's not just what do we think is creative with technology. Humans have continued to show that we create, invent new ways, new ideas all the time that have revolutionized the workplace, that have also revolutionized our lives. And so that's where it would start.